A well-balanced meal is more than just a source of energy. It's a lifesaver, a health booster, and for those living with diabetes, it's a fundamental part of managing their condition. So today, we're diving into the top 10 meals that are not only diabetic friendly, but also brimming with flavor and easy to whip up in your kitchen. Beginning our countdown at number 10, we have the humble and hearty quinoa salad. This protein-packed powerhouse is a fantastic way to kickstart your day, or as a light lunch. Quinoa is low on the glycemic index, which means it won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels, a crucial factor for diabetics. Next up, at number 9, we have grilled salmon with a zesty lemon herb dressing. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease, a common concern for those with diabetes. Our 8th contender is a classic, a chicken stir-fry with a rainbow of veggies. Lean protein, like chicken, along with fibrous vegetables, helps to regulate your blood sugar levels, making this meal a delicious and nutritious choice. Coming in at number 7, we have the ever-popular Greek salad. Loaded with fresh vegetables, feta cheese, and olives, this Mediterranean delight is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber and healthy fats, which are beneficial for blood sugar control. At number 6, we have a warming bowl of lentil soup. Lentils are a low glycemic food, meaning they release their energy slowly, preventing any sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar levels. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we have a delightful spinach and mushroom omelet. Eggs are a diabetes-friendly protein source, and when combined with nutrient-rich spinach and mushrooms, they make for a satisfying meal that's low in carbs. Our 4th contender is a colorful vegetable curry served with cauliflower rice. This dish is not only low in carbs, but also packs a powerful flavor punch thanks to the blend of spices. Coming in at number 3, we have the classic Italian dish, spaghetti squash with marinara sauce. Swapping regular pasta for spaghetti squash reduces the carbohydrate content, making it a healthier yet equally delicious alternative. Just missing the top spot, at number 2, we have grilled chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli. This balanced meal provides lean protein, complex carbs, and fiber, which are key components in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. And finally, the meal that reigns supreme at number 1, we have a luscious avocado and black bean salad. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, and black beans are a great source of slow-release carbohydrates. This combination makes this salad a winning meal for diabetics. So there we have it, the top 10 meals that are not only delicious but also beneficial for those managing diabetes. Remember, nutritious meals are a key part of maintaining good health and managing diabetes. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep enjoying your food journey.